Hey everybody, Photoman back with another video. Hope everyone's doing okay. Thanks for tuning in again. This is going to be a mouthful. Let me tell you what this one is. Ukrainian Catholic Church of the Presentation of the Blessed Virgin Mary. Wow. That is quite the name, isn't it? It is better known as St. Mary's South Holden, which is a lot easier to say, to be honest. It became a historical site in 1994, which is awesome, because now it can't be knocked down. This church and bell tower was constructed in 1916 to serve a growing congregation in the Holden area. The church structure and Byzantine design are typical of the area and the period. The greatest historical interest in this church lies in its richly decorated interior and furnishings. Unfortunately, on my visit, I couldn't get in. It was closed. But it was a holiday, so. Many of the icons in the church are painted by the noted religious artist Peter Lipinski. Lipinski also painted and stenciled the interior of the building, which is why I'd really love to see inside. The iconostas, which separates the sanctuary from the congregation, is a particularly fine example of the woodworker and painter's craft. And again, another thing I'd love to see. The church served as a religious and community center for Ukrainian settlers south of Holden from 1916 onwards, and it remains one of the oldest surviving structures in the area. It is still used as a church, reflecting the strength of the community associations and providing direct link to the early homesteading period in this part of east central Alberta.